Hello, welcome to English Corner. I am so happy you're here. Today, we start our journey together with Lesson 1, saying hello and introducing yourself. In English, there are many ways to say hello. The most common word is hello. In the morning, we say good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. With friends, we can be more relaxed. You can say hi or hey. These are friendly and very common. Give it a try. Hi. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. To tell someone your name, you say, my name is. For example, my name is Anna, or my name is John. What is your name? When you meet someone for the first time, it is polite to say, nice to meet you. It shows you are happy to meet them. Try saying it slowly. Nice to meet you. To ask someone for their name, you can say, what is your name? Let's look at a simple conversation. Hello, I am Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I am David. Let's review. Remember, hello, hi, and good morning. Also, my name is and. Nice to meet you. You are doing a great job. Don't be afraid to speak slowly. Taking your time shows confidence. And remember to smile. Every culture has its own ways of greeting, but a friendly hello is understood everywhere. Now it's your turn. I will say a phrase, and you repeat it after me during the pause. Say, hello. Excellent. Now say, my name is. Very good. Practice these every day. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in Lesson 2.